Alright, so here we go. He's actually setting up, connecting to the hub, so it's going to take a reading on that and measure, you know, the depth and the pressure and everything. That gets submitted to the town for the engineering department. So let's see what happens. Check the plumb. Make sure he's okay. Do his adjustments. Now, will you feel like a resistance if you hit something? Sometimes. Yeah. Okay. Now, as you see, imagine trying to dig all that soil out, you know, with a post hole digger or even with an auger. It would take twice as long or 3 times as long than, or longer than just going slowly with this. And this is getting pretty accurate. You can actually see everything on the screen. And if he hits anything, it'll notify him. You know, root, a rock. This is pretty cool because it allows you to put a lot of weight . Good there. It's not going any deeper. So I think he's already beyond the 4 feet. there you have it. Helical panel installed. So now he's going to disconnect that and put those caps on top, and then we're all set. So we're out. Stay tuned.